friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will solve a linear equation x minus 2 is equal to 3. So let's start. This is our given equation. Now we will add 2 to both sides. Doing that, we get x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 2. Look that in the left hand side we have minus 2 and plus 2, which means 0. So we are left with x in the left hand side. And in the right hand side we have 3 plus 2. And as 3 plus 2 is 5, so finally we get x is equal to 5. And this comes out as our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.